All right, y'all. Gonna go do a little pre-fishing for this redfish tournament I got going on Sunday. Hopefully y'all want to join me here. I have very low confidence because our water is so bad. It's the worst it's been in a long time. Really fresh, tough conditions, really dirty, really high. It's just a lot of bad stuff. But we're gonna go out and we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna try to, to locate some fish for Sunday so we can have a game plan, and we're just gonna go from there. So hopefully y'all join me, and yeah, we have a great time. But like I said, I have very low expectations at this time in my life. So all right, y'all, see you on the water. All right, guys, we're here. I'll be honest, the water is kind of dirty, little cleaner. Well, let me look at it. Let me take a peek. Little bit cleaner than I thought, but it's still very dirty. I got a black booyah. I think it's like a midnight special. Big vibrating bait. Black is a great color, and dirty water creates a silhouette. And we're just gonna start casting. We're gonna hit our rocks for a bit, and if there's nothing here, we're gonna go shallow. But we're gonna try to find some good quality fish if we can. I'm not sure how it's gonna work out because fishing is tough right now, to say the least. I see one. Oh, he chased it out, but he didn't get it. Oh, first fish I saw today. He was right there. I'm not sure where he went. Oh, I think yep, there he goes. Way up there. Way up there. Guys, I just saw one. I just saw one bust something. I just saw one attack something, baby. I need to get him. I'm desperate. Gotta make good casts. He was up in there a little further. This water's so high that they're gonna be pushed into these crazy cuts. I can't buy a bite. See if I can get it over there. Kinda over there, kind of. Come on, baby. Hit it. Oh, I need a bite so bad. Got one, y'all. Finally. Oh, Mr. Whiffle came through. I got broke too on my chatterbait. Good fish. Good fish. There was two of them up there. Good fish, baby. Good fish. Whew. Good healthy one there. I don't know how big he is, but he's all right. Let's take a look at him if we were in a tournament. Let's take a look. About 25 inches. About a 25 incher. Nice. Mr. Wiffle, baby, came through. I fished for about 4 hours now without a bite. But yeah, Mr. Wiffle came through. Nice one there, about 25 inches on the Mr. Wiffle. Good one. There he is. There he is, baby. Might have found some fish finally. Oh yeah. Good one. Good thick one. Whew. Oh yeah, he wasn't ready. He wasn't ready. He wasn't ready. No. He's in the motor. Oh my God, where is this fish? Oh my God. Oh my God, I just gotta give him slack. Oh, he's out, he's out, he's out. Okay, cool. He's out. I don't know if he frayed me up, so I gotta be careful. Good fish right here. Nice. Nice. I knew he wasn't nowhere near ready. I don't even know why I got down there with him. He was not ready. Guys, these conditions are terrible. Filthy, dirty, fresh water. Not many fish around. Look at that beauty. Are you ready now? I don't have my net, so I'm sure I've said that about 9 times. Come on. Another beautiful red right there, baby. Yeah. How big is this one? Oh yeah, he's 26 and a half. 26 and a half. Man, that'd be good for that tournament. Eating the Mr. Wiffle. Eating the Mr. Wiffle, baby. Oh, I got a cramp. Y'all check him out. That's a nice red right there. Whew. That's a good tournament fish. Thick, 26 inches or something like that. 26, I don't know. Yeah, he's about 26. But anyway, beauty. Beauty. Right here, right here. Right here, right here, right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I saw 2 of them. One was coming straight up the canal at me. What the? Alright, I need y'all to keep your eyes peeled. There's some stuff moving around here and there. Best action I've seen in a long time, and that's not saying much. Alright, cool. Red, rat red. I needed that bite anyway. That's all just hooked me. I needed that bite. Mr. Wiffle, Mr. Wiffle. All right, we got some fish around, y'all. We got some fish around. And I don't. Gotta be quiet. Shut up. Shut up. Get out of here. What in tarnation? Good one. No net, so I gotta baby him. These fish are having a field day on crabs. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, Mr. Wiffle, baby. Swear, if we could win a tournament for Mr. Wiffle, wouldn't that be sick? This fish is gonna go. Okay, I'll put him between my legs. Okay, can y'all see? Yeah, you can see that. Okay. 20, just over 27. Oh, baby, that there is a beauty. I got a couple tournament fish, no doubt. Like, check those out. Go fill the live well up. All right, y'all. This would be some good fish for that redfish tournament. I'm out here pre-fishing. That's a 27 incher right there. So I got a 27 and a 26 or a 26.5. I don't remember exactly, but look at that. Can y'all see it? Oh, man, that's some good ones. I got 3, but they're all quality. So